Katrina Lachlan, and I'm doing the choreography for Sophie Keye's song Fearfully and Wonderfully Made. This is the tutorial for the standing version of the chorus. I'm going to start by showing you the chorus to music first, and then I'll break it down, and then we'll do it again to music at the end.
How dare I criticize this gift of mine, when it's your incomparable temple divine. 'Cause I'm still breathing, I'm still living this life, and you're still with me, and you're giving life to these bones. I'm sick of hiding, apologizing for me. Now I'm not afraid to say I'm fearfully and wonderfully made.
Okay, so the first part, it's pretty much to the words, but as you hear behind the chorus and the singing, there's a beat in there. So there's some parts where we are with the beat, and then, of course, you can take this bass that we have and expand on it. It's mostly upper body because we're also doing it in a sitting position for people that are sitting. So feel free to move your legs in any shape or form that you would like to add to it. So the first part we do, it comes in and it says, I'm still breathing. So there's like a beat right before that. So it's like boom, and I'm still breathing. Then we do 2 rolls of the shoulder to the side, and then 1 shoulder the other way, and then we reach down. Okay, so boom, and I'm still breathing, and I'm still living, and then it says this life. Then we go up, and you're still with me. So you're going to reach your arms up towards God, and then you're bringing them into your heart. You're still with me. Again, from the beginning. So we have boom, and I'm still breathing, I'm still living this life, stretch, and you're still with me, going on, and you're giving. Okay, so you're here, you're just going to reach out with the arms, out with the other arm, and you're still with me. No, I'm sorry, you're still with me, and you're giving life. You're going to step forward. Life. This is the sign in sign language for live or life. So that's why so you have 2 L's, fingers pointing in towards each other and up the body. Again, so we set, so from here we have, and you're still with me, and you're giving life to these bones. So you take your hand from here, life. You just take this hand and you just scoop it in and slide it down the side of your body. Scoop it in, slide down the other side. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. Boom, and I'm still breathing, and I'm still living this life. And you're still with me, and you're giving life to these bones. Good, and what I'm doing is I'm stepping forward a little bit here and then stepping back and turning. Or you can just stay in place and do it. Again, the lower body portion is whatever you want to do. So from there, so life to these bones. I'm sick of hiding, so we're going to hide behind your hands. I'm sick of hiding, and you're pulsing. Sick of hiding. Apologizing. So you're throwing your arms down. 1, 2. Apologizing. Okay, so I'm sick of hiding, apologizing. Then we have another beat like we did at the beginning before breathe. Apologizing, boom, for me. So you have here, and then this is just a slow drop of the arms. from the side, slow drop of the arms. For me, okay, then it says, so I'm not afraid to say. So it goes boom, 1, 2. So it's like you lift your hand up towards your face and you turn, as if your hand is turning your face. So it's up, 1, 2, I'm not afraid to say. But this part, we're really doing it on the beat. So it's boom, boom, boom. While it says, I'm not afraid to say, I'm not afraid. Boom, boom, to say. Okay, then we have fearfully and wonderfully made. So that part's a little bit fast. Let's just go over that part. So you're here, say. Take that same arm. It scoops over to the side and you lean into that arm. It comes around. You can also lean back slightly, look up if you like, and come down. And when that hand hits here, your other hand comes across the body and you just go across your arm, shoulders, chest, and you follow it with your head. So you're here. So boom, not afraid to say. This is fearfully, fearfully. And now this is on wonderfully, wonderfully. And I'm following it with my head. So I go back and around, I look down at my arm. I come up with the hands and my head is following. I look to the other side, and when it says made, you just float the arms up. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning, slow, and then we'll do it with the music. So we have boom. Now I'm still breathing. Oh, I never really went over this part. So this is the sign for breathe in sign language, but we're kind of pulsing forward. So you're pushing a little forward in your body. Right. So you have I'm still breathing. I'm still living this life. And you're still with me, and you're giving life to these bones. I'm sick of hiding, apologizing. Boom, for me. Boom, and I'm not afraid to say, I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. Great. So now we're going to do it with the music. So as you get the song and you hear the end, it does a lot of repeat of the chorus. Just from I'm not afraid to say, I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. The other way we can do it, if you want to do a turn, is we have, boom, this is the same, I'm not afraid to say, and then on fearfully, you can wrap the arms around your head and turn. So this is arms that go all the way around, and just a simple turn. You can lift up the leg, whatever you feel you want to do with that part if you choose to turn. So it would be, this is the same, afraid to say, I'm fearfully, come down, wonderfully made is still the same. And because it keeps saying it over and over again, you can change sides on that turn if you want to. You can change between just the one arm and then doing the turn. So I'm going to try to find that part in the song so you understand what I'm talking about. freedom in between the chorus to do whatever movements that you would like to do, that you feel led to do in the song, that you're moved by with the music. We hope that you'll choose to do the chorus. If you feel that this tutorial isn't enough and you would like to meet for a Zoom meeting, and we can meet in person over Zoom, and we can go over specific questions you may have, just contact Sophie and let her know, and we can put that together. So I thank you again for meeting with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.